4 men were shot at the intersection of Beeston Street and Tex Lane in central Kingston a short while ago. According to the police, the men were engaged in gully cleaning activities in the area, and after taking a break to have lunch, several men drove up on motorcycles, fired shots hitting them. They were later rushed to the hospital. Their medical conditions are not yet known. The area is now cordoned off and the Kingston Central Police are investigating. The police said they suspect it's a continuation of the dark side and genocide gang feud. A watchman was found dead Thursday at an under-construction housing scheme where he worked in Elton Park, Spanish Town, St. Catherine. He has been identified as 32-year-old Christopher Fearing, otherwise called Chippy, from Garden Pen in the parish. It was reported that about 5:50 p.m. residents of Flintstone Drive in Elton Park heard loud explosions in the area, stumbled upon Fearing's body and summoned the police. Police arrived and saw the body of the now deceased lying face down at the side of a house, clad in a white shirt, cream shorts, a pair of yellow socks, and a pair of black and white sneakers. The body, the police reported, had what appeared to be gunshot wounds to the upper section. The scene was processed and the body taken to the Spanish Town Hospital where it was pronounced dead. It was later transported to the morgue pending a post-mortem examination. No motive has been established for the killing. Neither has any suspect been identified. An 18-year-old woman has been charged with murder following the stabbing death of a man in Mount Ogle district in St. Andrew on Saturday, July 8. Dead is 29-year-old Ryan West, a laborer of the same community. Charged is Rochelle Watson, otherwise called Miss Chin, a bartender of Mount Ogle district address. Reports are that about 8:30 p.m. Watson and West were having a dispute when the accused armed herself with a knife and stabbed West in the upper body. The police were summoned and upon their arrival, West was assisted to hospital where he was pronounced dead. Watson was subsequently arrested and charged on Wednesday, July 12. Her court date is being finalized.